Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. There's deep significance attached to this, and Padma Shri Anup Jalota will tell us a little bit more about it and give us an insight into this. Thank you. Thank you.
We all have seen, we all have heard the kind of services he shall be doing to the society. In India, I have a foundation, Jalota Welfare Foundation, and we have been felicitating people who work for the music, for the culture, for the society. And here, in this country, for the first time, my foundation is felicitating Mr. Ishwar Ram Lakshman for the work he has done and for the work he will be doing in future, because he is not stopping. I know every day he thinks a plan and he keeps it, he does it. Today, my foundation is giving him further strength by felicitating him.